Myself Aswasna Choudhary. I am the school head girl of Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Raipur. Today, we the students of class 12th standard had come to the Kalinga University for our seminar program where we have learned a lot of things. As we have given a lot of new knowledge about what are the career options we could have. As a student, as a member of society, we only know that there are options like doctor, engineer, and lawyers. These are the only career options which we know. But today we got to know about the various many things, just like filmmaking, in which actors, directors, co-actors, all these things, all these occupations are also there, in which we can have our career. Along with this, we did have a knowledge about AI and the drones thing, which is very new thing to learn about, and also a very interesting and creative thing to creativity of human beings. Along with that, we had met the faculty of Kalinga University, which is very helpful and friendly to us. They showed us about everything, and they make us to they told us, and they also teach us that we should have a mentor in our life, so that if we are having any difficulty in any phase in our life, so we can also overcome it. I would like to thank Kalinga and the team. Thank you so much.